Alright, so let's do some simple addition here. How about 3x cubed y plus 5x squared minus 2y plus 2x cubed y minus 5x squared plus 3x. All you have to do is add like terms together. 3x cubed y plus 2x cubed y is 5x cubed y. Next, we have positive 5x squared plus a negative 5x squared, which is 0x squared. Let's not put the placeholder this time, but you might want to do that in some of your other problems. And then we have negative 2y, and there is no y here, so it's still going to stay at negative 2y plus 0y. And this has no x value over here, so it's 0x plus 3x. And there's our answer. 5x cubed y minus 2y plus 3x. Now let's work on some subtraction problems here. Again, let's look at something difficult-ish. 7x times 2y squared plus 13x squared minus 5 times the xy quantity of xy squared minus 13x cubed. Now it looks complicated, but it's really not. First, let's distribute. 7x times 2y squared is 14xy squared plus 91x cubed. Go over here. Negative 5xy squared plus, because it's a negative 5 times a 13, negative 13, 65x cubed. So, again, we go back to subtracting like terms. 14xy squared minus 5xy squared is 9xy squared. 91x cubed minus, got this mixed up. This is negative 5. You're adding now, because we've already taken all of the negative numbers out and moved them here. Plus 65x cubed. So that's 156x cubed. So our answer is 9xy squared plus 156x cubed. Now let's work on some multiplication and division problems. First, let's start off with something simple. 3xy squared times 2xy plus x squared minus 7yz. Now first we distribute. 3xy squared times 2xy is 6x squared and y cubed plus 3x cubed y squared minus 21 x y cubed z. Now, can we add any of these together? Well, no, we can't. It's completely fine. So, let's move on to something different. Division. Let's try x plus 3 dividing x squared plus 6x plus 9. Well, first you have to look at how many times this x can go into this x. It goes into it x times, because x times x is x squared. But since we're going to be subtracting this, we're going to be flipping the signs of every number we do. So, that's going to be negative x squared. Then x times 3 is 3x, so we're going to flip it from positive to negative, negative 3x. So x squared minus x squared, 0. Or we're going to remove that place this time. 6x minus 3x is 3x. And bring down the 9. Now, how many times can this x go into this x? 3 times. Positive 3 times. 3 times x, so negative 3x now. And 3 times 3, flip again. Now the remainder is 0, and your answer is x plus 3. X plus 3 goes into x squared plus 6x plus 9, x plus 3 times.